Hi guys, I'm Livia. So today we're going to be making scratch paper. So we'll need crayons, paper, black paint, and a paintbrush, of course. So first what we're going to be doing is taking your crayons and draw any kind of picture you want. So I'm going to get that. And then I'm just going to draw a few hearts and maybe a rainbow. And you guys can make whatever picture you want to do. I'm just going to draw a couple hearts just to show you. And draw one big heart. Okay. Just kind of shade it in a bit. Okay, I'm done. And now I might do a little bit more. Okay, I'm done with my picture. And now I need black paint. And then I'm gonna cover the whole paper. Okay, so now the paper has dried and the black paint dried. And now we can get our stencil and see if it works. I think it's working. And I think it works. Yay! So we know that the scratch paper worked. Thank you for watching my video and remember to subscribe. Bye!